We are going to do a walkthrough of a 2020 Mar-Bel DLS-36 36-inch laminate slitter. One thing is for certain, you won't find a newer, cleaner Mar-Bel DLS-36 laminate slitter anywhere. It does have a 36-inch throat. This DLS-36 is from 2020 and has seen very little use. The fence does travel on dual rods to keep it square. The aluminum work table is 48 by 49 inches. A manual is included with this machine. It's powered by a 1/3 horsepower 110 volt motor and capable of 30 feet per minute. Down below you will find heavy locking casters.